Hello guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can upload images as image targets inside of the Vuforia database. So these are the 6 images, which I'll be uploading inside of the Vuforia database. So I'll open them. So the first image is off the airplane. The second image is off the book cover. The third one is off the car. Fourth image is off the house. Fifth one is off the ship image target. And the final image is off the sun image target. Okay, so these are the 6 images which I'll be using for my book project. So for uploading these images, I'll open my Vuforia account. Next, I click on the Target Manager tab. Now, as I mentioned inside the R1 project, if you create a new database, then there is no option to delete it. So that's why instead of creating a new database, I'll reuse this R1 database, as the R1 database only contains one image target. So after opening this database, next for adding a new image target, I'll click on Add Target button. After this, I'll click Browse. Now this book target folder is on my desktop. Okay, so from the book target, I'll first select the airplane image. Now this airplane image is off the JPEG format, and it has a size of 1.2 MB. So I'll click Open. So since the airplane image had a file size of 1.4 MB, so it is well within the limits of 2 MB, and this image is off JPEG format. After this, I'll set the width. So I'll set the width to 1 over here. Next, if you want to rename your image before uploading it, then you can rename your image from here. Now, since I've already named the images properly beforehand, so that's why I'm not renaming this airplane image over here, so I'll just keep the name to airplane. And after this, I'll click on Add button to add the airplane image as image target. So the airplane image target is uploaded, and as you can see, it has an augmented star rating of 5 stars, which is great. After this, I'll click on our target. I'll browse, I'll select the book cover image. I'll click Open. Next, I'll give this a bit of 1 again, and after this, I'll click on the Add button to add it. So the book cover image is also added, and it also has a star rating of 5 stars. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll add the remaining 4 images. So I finished adding the sun, ship, house, and the car image target. Minus one of them have for augmented star rating, which is good. Next, before downloading this database, I'll rename it from our R1 to our book database. So for renaming this database, I'll click on Edit Name. After this, I'll give this database a name off of our book database. I'll then hit Save OK. So we have basically created a totally new database after renaming the book database. Next, I'll just select these 6 image targets. So if you want to select all the image targets, then you can click on this checkbox neighboring to the target name. And as you do this, all the image targets will be selected. Now, as mentioned few minutes back, since we are just interested in the top 6 image targets, so I'll uncheck the R1 image target. And after this, for downloading these 6 image targets, I'll click on Download Database button. Now inside this button as well, you can see that the number 6 is highlighted, which means that we have selected these 6 image targets which will be downloading. So I'll click on Download Database. I'll then select Unity Editor. I'll then hit Download. Okay, so now in total, our work database will contain these 6 images. So the book database in the form of a Unity packages downloaded, and I've copied it on my desktop. Next, for importing this database inside my Unity project, I'll just double click on it. Now before importing inside this package, you can see that there are 6 images from airplane to the sun image. So next for importing it, I'll click on the import button. So after importing my book database, inside which will customize a sun image target, I'll end this video over here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next time.